Welcome to PrimeScoreX. In this video, we are focusing on conventional parallel parking for the CDL skills test. This maneuver can feel intimidating because the vehicle must enter a defined space while the trailer, drive axles, and steer axle all move in sequence. The good news is that parallel parking becomes manageable when you understand the order. Position the trailer, bring in the drive axles, then finish with the front of the tractor. The examiner may instruct you to drive straight ahead past the entrance to the parallel parking space, with your vehicle parallel to the parking area, then back into the space. You may be told how many pull-ups and get-out-and-look opportunities are allowed. Your best response is, "I understand. I will pass the space, back into it slowly, keep the vehicle completely within the boundaries, and secure the vehicle when completed." The initial position matters. In a common setup, you drive forward past the space and stop when the rear of the trailer is just past the forward set of cones. You want the vehicle close enough to the space to work with the trailer, but not so close that you cut too sharply into the boundary. Use the reference points taught by your school, but understand the reason behind them. As you begin backing, steer to articulate the vehicle and send the trailer toward the space. Once the trailer reaches the correct angle, countersteer to bring the tractor back in line with the trailer. Do not hold the steering input too long. The longer you wait, the more the angle grows. The examiner wants to see that you can create angle and then control it. A helpful way to think about parallel parking is to divide the vehicle into 3 axle groups. First, place the rear of the trailer. Second, bring the drive axles into the space. Third, finish by bringing in the steer axle and front of the tractor. If you only think about the trailer, the tractor may end up outside the lines. If you only think about the tractor, the trailer may go too deep. One common error is going too deep into the space before straightening. If the trailer is already too far inside, the front of the tractor may not have enough room to finish cleanly. When you feel close to the final position, use your allowed get out and look if needed. Check the rear, the left side, the right side, and the front clearance. A professional driver verifies space instead of hoping. A confident candidate can answer the examiner like this: "I understand the maneuver. I will pull past the space, back slowly, use both mirrors, use a pull-up or get out and look if needed, and finish with the entire vehicle inside the parking area." That response is simple, specific, and professional. It shows preparation without sounding rehearsed or arrogant. For conventional parallel parking, remember the sequence. Set up properly, create the trailer angle, countersteer before the angle becomes too large, manage the 3 axle groups, avoid going too deep, and verify your final position. In the test and in real life, a clean parallel park is not about luck. It is about controlled sequence.